In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MX record in Cloudflare. If you're setting up email for your domain, MX records tell the internet which mail server should receive messages for you. I'll walk you through the exact path in Cloudflare and explain what each field means so you can avoid common mistakes. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the home screen, head to the domains area. This is where Cloudflare lists every domain you've connected to your account. Choose the domain you want to configure. Once you're on that domain's overview page, open the DNS section. This is the control center for all of your domain's DNS records. Inside DNS, go to the records view, then select Add Record. You'll get a form to create a new DNS entry. In the Type menu, choose MX. MX is the specific record type used for mail exchange. Now fill out the name field. If your email addresses use the main domain, enter the root symbol, often shown as the @ sign. That means the record applies to the entire domain. If you're routing mail for a subdomain, like support or mail, type that subdomain instead. Next is mail server. This is the host name provided by your email service, such as something like mailyourprovider.com. Be sure to enter a host name, not an IP address. You also don't need to add a trailing dot at the end. Cloudflare handles formatting for you. Set the TTL to auto. Auto is reliable for nearly all setups and lets Cloudflare manage how long the record is cached by resolvers. For priority, lower numbers indicate higher priority. If you only have one MX record, any reasonable number is fine. If you have multiple, give the primary server the lowest number, like 10, and secondary servers higher numbers, such as 20 or 30. Mail delivery will prefer the lowest number first and fall back to the others if needed. The comment box is optional. Use it to note which provider or mailbox this record belongs to, or anything your team will find helpful later. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new MX record will now appear in the list. DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, but Cloudflare usually updates quickly. Remember, MX records themselves are not proxied through Cloudflare. They must point directly to your mail provider's host name. If your provider has given you additional DNS records like SPF, DKIM, or DMARCs, you'll add those separately in the same DNS area. That's it. You've successfully added an MX record in Cloudflare and set your domain up to receive email properly.